Islam. A word that is often misunderstood and misrepresented. Many people have misconceptions about what Islam truly is. In this video, we will unveil the true essence of Islam, a path of peace and enlightenment. Islam is a religion practiced by over 1.8 billion people worldwide. It is based on the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad and the Holy Quran, which Muslims believe to be the Word of God. Islam promotes the belief in one God, known as Allah. Muslims strive to live their lives in accordance with the 5 pillars of Islam: faith, prayer, charity, fasting, and pilgrimage. These pillars form the foundation of a Muslim spiritual journey. Contrary to popular belief, Islam does not advocate violence or terrorism. In fact, Islam promotes peace, love, compassion, and tolerance towards all people, regardless of their race or religion. Muslims are instructed to be kind and just, embracing virtues such as honesty, forgiveness, and generosity. One unique aspect of Islam is the concept of the Ummah, a community that transcends boundaries. Muslims are encouraged to maintain strong ties with their families, uphold the rights of their neighbors, and contribute positively to society as a whole. Islam also places great emphasis on seeking knowledge. Muslims are encouraged to educate themselves, pursue scientific advancements, and contribute to the betterment of humanity. Throughout history, Islamic scholars have made significant contributions to various fields, from medicine to mathematics. Sadly, the actions of a few misguided individuals have tainted the image of Islam. It is important not to judge an entire religion based on the actions of a few individuals. Islam condemns all acts of violence, and the vast majority of Muslims strive to live peaceful lives, embodying the true teachings of their faith. In conclusion, Islam is a religion of peace, compassion, and enlightenment. It promotes love, kindness, and respect for all people. By understanding the true essence of Islam, we can break down barriers of ignorance and foster a more harmonious world. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content.